everyone, this is Maggie and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Valentine's Day set with greeting cards, bags. We have chocolate boxes. This is a heart-shaped box and a rectangular box, and we have 3 envelopes in the bottom. This sheet is 1/6 scale. In my Etsy shop you will find 1/3 scale and 1/12 scale. You will find the free printable sheet with some of the designs in the description of this video. So let's get started. So you will need a cardstock paper, craft glue and scissors. For the inside of the boxes you may use acrylic paint. Next you have to cut out all the templates. The greeting cards, you just fold them in half and they are done. Now this is the back template. You need to fold on the tabs, then apply glue on the tab and glue the tabs inside the bag like so. Okay, next you may fold the bag, the sides of the bag like this to the inside, and then we need to glue down the back stripes. Glue the other stripe to the opposite side and you are done. Next, for this rectangular box, first cut it out and then fold on the lines and glue down the tabs. And once the box is ready, you may fill it with sweets of your taste. And the chocolate box fits perfectly in the larger bag. Your doll may bring out the beautiful greeting card and a box full with sweet donuts or whatever sweets you have. Now I've cut down the 2 walls for the sides, and now we will fold down the tabs like this. Now once you've finished folding the tabs, we will glue them to the bottom part. Apply small amount of glue and now we will glue it to the bottom part. Okay, after a few minutes I've reached the top, and as you see, this tab here I will fold so that I glue it to the other side like this. We are done. Now we can paint the inside with red acrylic paint. And here is the finished box. Now let's make some sweets. If you like using polymer clay, you may create some candies from this material, but if you do not have, I will show you how to create sweets like this. First, cut the end of a hot glue gun stick with an X-Acto knife. Then paint with acrylic paint. Then leave it to dry. Next, I used these decorations for the top. You will find them in the craft store or order it on internet. What I did is I applied glue on top and glue down the fruit. Create as many as you want to fill the box. Now let's make the envelopes. Fold on the tabs. Apply a small amount of glue on both sides. And press down. And the envelope is done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more free content. You will find the free printable sheet for the 1/6 scale in the description down below. And visit my Etsy shop for more scales and more digital files for your dollhouse. Thank you. Bye.